best HDMI extenders ensure stable, high-quality audio and video transmission over long distances, reducing signal loss for reliable home and professional setups. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI extenders for long-distance setup that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at REI HDMI extender over Cat 6 165 feet. This HDMI extender is an excellent solution for anyone who needs to transmit high-definition video over long distances without sacrificing performance. Capable of extending a 1080p HDMI signal up to 50 meters, 165 feet, using a single Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable. It offers a clean and cost-effective alternative to long HDMI cables. The built-in HDMI loop out on the transmitter is especially useful, allowing you to connect a local monitor while simultaneously sending the signal to a remote display. Using advanced MJPEG image compression, it maintains impressive picture clarity with only minimal quality loss, making it ideal for home theaters, offices, classrooms, retail displays, and gaming setups. It supports a wide range of HDMI resolutions from 480i to full HD 1080p at both 50 Hz and 60 Hz, ensuring compatibility with PCs, Blu-ray players, media streamers, and gaming consoles. Overall, this extender delivers reliable long-distance HDMI transmission, easy installation, and consistent video performance for everyday use. Now our second product is PUE HDMI Extender 500 feet. This HDMI extender is a powerful choice for users who need dependable long-distance AV distribution without investing in expensive infrastructure. It delivers crisp 1080p at 60 Hz video and audio up to 500 feet over standard Cat 5e or Cat 6 cables, making it ideal for home theaters, offices, schools, and commercial installations. A standout feature is its compatibility with standard gigabit Ethernet switches, allowing seamless integration into existing network setups while keeping installation costs low. The one-to-many distribution capability lets you broadcast a single HDMI source to multiple displays simultaneously, making it perfect for digital signage, conference rooms, classrooms, and event venues. The built-in HDMI loop-out provides convenient local monitoring, helping installers verify signal quality in real time. Best of all, the plug-and-play design requires no software or complicated configuration, so setup takes only minutes. With stable performance, low latency, flexible scalability, and reliable full HD transmission, this extender offers outstanding value for both professional AV projects and advanced home entertainment systems. Our third product is Dongjian HDMI Extender over. This HDMI extender is a dependable option for extending full HD audio and video over long distances without compromising quality. Using a single oxygen-free copper Cat 6 cable, it transmits 1080p at 60 Hz signals up to 196 feet with virtually zero latency, making it ideal for home theaters, classrooms, conference rooms, surveillance systems, and outdoor display projects. The built-in edit copy function ensures optimal communication between the source device and display, automatically matching the best video and audio settings for a hassle-free experience. It also supports premium audio formats, including DTS HD, Dolby True HD, DTS, Dolby AC3, and DSD, delivering immersive sound alongside sharp visuals. With automatic signal adjustment and ESD protection, the extender provides stable, interference-resistant performance even during extended use. Compatibility with PCs, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and media players adds to its versatility. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive technical support, this HDMI extender offers excellent reliability, easy plug-and-play installation, and impressive value for both professional and home entertainment setups. Now number 4. Mirabux HDMI Extender 400 feet. This HDMI over IP extender is an excellent solution for professional AV installations that require flexible, long-distance HDMI distribution. Using Cat5, Cat5e, or Cat6 cables, it reliably transmits full HD 1080p signals up to 525 feet directly, while TCP/IP networking enables virtually unlimited extension through compatible network devices. One of its biggest strengths is the built-in splitter capability, allowing a single transmitter to broadcast to as many as 253 receivers over a dedicated switch, making it ideal for digital signage, schools, conference centers, retail stores, and large venues. It supports a wide range of video resolutions up to 1080p and preserves high-quality audio with Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD, DTS Master Audio, and 7.1 LPCM support for an immersive viewing experience. Installation is straightforward with the included transmitter, receiver, power adapters, and user manual. Just remember to use it on a dedicated network rather than a regular home LAN for the most stable and reliable performance. And our last choice is POE HDMI Extender 165 feet. This HDMI signal extender is a practical and budget-friendly solution for transmitting high-definition audio and video over long distances. It extends HDMI signals up to 165 feet, 50 meters, using Cat6 or Cat7 cables, while Cat5e supports distances up to 40 meters, making it ideal for home theaters, offices, classrooms, and digital signage. The extender delivers crisp 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz full HD video with support for 3D content and backward-compatible resolutions, ensuring smooth, synchronized audio and video playback. Its integrated HDMI male connectors eliminate the need for additional HDMI cables between the devices, simplifying installation and reducing cable clutter. The built-in Power over Cable (POC) feature further streamlines setup by powering the system through the included USB cable connected to the transmitter. With plug-and-play operation, reliable signal stability, and minimal installation effort, this extender offers excellent value for users seeking dependable long-distance HDMI transmission. The included 12-month warranty and responsive customer support provide added confidence for long-term use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.